Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing well. This is your math class and I am your math teacher. Now let's take out your math book. So, here you can see the objective points which we will cover in today's class. First of all, we will learn about multiplication, then revise the table of 2, 3, 4, 5 and tens and also complete the sums. Then we will learn the table of 6. Let's take a start from multiplication. Here as you can see a word problem. Let's have a look on it. 3 flags flying. Each flag has 5 stars. How many stars together? So, in this question, it says there are 3 flags. 1, 2, 3. And each flag has 5 stars. You can see in this picture. It says that there are 3 sets of 5. 3 sets of 5, 3 sets of flags which having 5 stars on it. Do you remember the multiplication sign? Yes. This is a multiplication sign. So we will write as 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. Now open page number 53 and read all multiplication word problem. Do you remember your timetables? In previous class we will learn 2, 3, 4, 5 and 10's table. Let us see how much you remember. So here you can see a sum 8 multiplied by 2 and 7 multiplied by 3. Now student, tell me what will be the answer? Yes, 8 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16. And you already know the table of 2. So 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. It means in both way the answer will be same. I hope you understood. Now open page number 54 and complete all the sums in book. Let's turn on page number 55 and do exercise 1. Fill in the missing number. Now read table of 4 5 times. So 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to 20. And which table will you learn? 3 times. So the answer will be equal to 9. Yes. Now read table of 3. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. This is how you have to complete the exercise. Read the table and complete the sums in book. Now we will learn multiplication in vertical form. As you can see, there are 5 sets of dice which have 3 stars on it. So we can say 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15. We can also write like this in vertical form. Like this. Now open page number 56 and do exercise 1. Complete the sums in book. Say the tables to help you. Let's learn the table of 6. Now as you can see, there is a number line and number block is given in which some numbers are missing. Now students, you have to count in 6 to fill the missing number. Oh, here's bunny. Here is a bunny. He is jumping from 0 to 6. So let's write the missing number 6. Then now from 6 he jumps to number 12. Let's write a missing number 12. Then he jumps on number 18. And from 18, he jumps on 24. Oh, 24 is missing. Let's write on it. Then from 24, he jumps 6 sixes to 30. Let's write the missing number 30. Now then, he jumps from 30 to 36. So, here we will write a missing number 36. So, here we will write a missing number 36. At last, he reaches on number 42. So, finally, Bunny comes on his destination. This is how you have to count in sixes. Now, open page number 57. Do exercise 1. Complete the missing number in book. Let's have a look on exercise 2 on page number 57. Okay, so here you have to color the square by counting in sixes. Like 6, then after counting in sixes, number come 12, then 18, after that 24, then 30 and last 36. Now complete it in your book. Now learn the table of 6. First F, look, write, then say, then write a table. As you can see, a dice having some numbers. It means 2 sets of 6 having 12 dots. It says 2 sixes are 12. So it will be written as 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12. Okay, students. Now, same example is given below. Now open page number 58 and do exercise 3. Complete the table of 6 and learn it. Do this exercise in book. Okay, so students, let's wind up our today's lecture. I hope you understand very well. Take care. Allah Hafiz.